Understanding, I can't remember, unlocking English phrases. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we're going to dive into a commonly used English phrase, I can't remember. Understanding this phrase is crucial as it pops up frequently in everyday conversations. So, let's break it down together and help you use it like a native speaker. I can't remember is a phrase used when someone is unable to recall information, facts, or past experiences. It's a polite way to express that something isn't coming to mind at the moment. Importantly, it's not just about forgetting major events. It can also be about small details. For instance, saying, I can't remember where I put my keys, is just as valid as, I can't remember the name of that movie we watched last month. 2.1 Everyday conversations. In casual settings, I can't remember is used in a relaxed, informal manner. For example, I can't remember if I locked the door. Let me check. I can't remember the last time we went out for dinner. 2.2 Professional or formal settings. In professional environments, the phrase might be used more cautiously to maintain a competent image. It's often accompanied by additional information or a follow-up action. For example, I can't remember the exact figures, but I will get back to you with the correct data. I can't remember the details of that meeting, but let me consult my notes and update you. The phrase also carries emotional weight. It can express frustration, embarrassment, or even nostalgia. For example, frustration, I can't remember my password, and it's driving me crazy. Embarrassment, I can't remember his name, even though he just introduced himself. Nostalgia, I can't remember those childhood days without a smile. Sometimes, people add words to emphasize or soften the statement. For example, I simply can't remember, emphasis. I just can't remember right now, softening. I can't quite remember, suggesting you're close to remembering. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, I can't remember, and its various nuances in the English language. Remember, it's more than just forgetting. It's about how, when, and why we express our lapses in memory. Keep practicing, and you'll master not just this phrase but the art of communication in English. See you in the next video.